Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on the power steering system on my E32. I'm going to be replacing most of the hoses that you see right here. I have them laid out. Right now it has a pretty big leak, as you can see in the cardboard here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the car back up on some ramps and get to work. Okay, so right now I'm gonna get under here, and the first thing I need to do is remove the splash shield so we get access to the power steering pump. Okay, with the splash shield removed, you can see the power steering pump right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a tray to catch all the power steering fluid, all the old ones. You can see the leak coming down through here already. And I'm gonna loosen this bolt right here, detach that hose, and then let all the old power steering fluid that's left in there drain out. Okay, well, while I let that drain there, I'm gonna come from above, and as you can see, that's the hose right there that we just disconnected. It's attached to the reservoir. I am gonna be changing the reservoir as well, so I'm not even gonna bother disconnecting it from here. I don't know if a lot of you don't know that these era BMWs, 5 Series and 7 Series, they use this reservoir system. The filter for the power steering fluid is actually built into it, in the bottom of it. So this is actually a maintenance item that needs to be changed every certain amount of miles. So I'm going to be replacing this with a new one also. So I'm not going to disconnect it from there. Now I'm going to disconnect the other line from the reservoir that goes down to the steering box down there, which will be this bolt right here. I don't know if you can see it, and that's the other hose that goes up to the reservoir, and I'll be able to take off the reservoir with those two hoses. Okay, sorry about the camera work. I'm just new to this, new to YouTubing. So as you can see, I took out the reservoir with the two hoses. One that goes to the power steering pump, one goes to the oil cooler, power steering cooler. This other hose that goes from the power steering box to the pump. And this hose that goes from the cooler to the power steering box. This is the old setup. And here I have the new setup laid out, and I'm just going to put it back in reverse. I also want to show you this. These hoses, see, this is the new one compared to the old one. These are cut to fit, so they actually add a long piece of the rubber hose. You need to cut this, to fit like OEM. So I use this one as a template to cut this one and put it in the car. Just hand tightening everything right now, then I'll go back and finish everything up. Okay, so here I cut this hose to fit. This is the power steering return, which will be this one. This is the old reservoir. So I'm going to attach this to the new reservoir. Just this one, along with this hose that'll go down and attach to the power steering pump. So you can see I already tightened the hose right here. Just make sure the crush washers are nice and tight. The bolt is what crushes it and makes it a nice seal. So you can see the power steering hoses are brand new now. All going to the steering box, all the way down there to the pump. I checked for leaks. Looks like there's no leaks anywhere. No obvious leaks, at least. Get you in there. And reservoir is full, bled, and we shouldn't have any more leaks. So I'll keep you updated, see what happens, if any. So that's it for the power steering. I did fill it up with Royal Purple Max ATF, full synthetic. So thank you for watching.